Welcome to Webstar Press. I have shared few tutorials on sliders and carousels using different techniques and plugins. In this video, I will answer most asked questions about these sliders. These are settings that are very important and can save you from headache. So first one is why dots are visible. When we have disabled dots from settings, dots false. But here dots are visible. Let me reload. Dots are there. The issue is there are responsive settings for sliders as well, like so. Make sure dots are disabled there as well. Otherwise, dots will show on different resolution. And now there are no dots. Next issue is slider takes jerk before playing. It shows up, disappears, and then appears again. That is because data becomes visible before the slider is initialized. Here slider is being initialized on the div containing this class, slick slider. This is the class. So to prevent that issue in CSS, hide the slider area like this, display none. This is not necessary. Then when DOM is ready, then show the slider by using fade in or show method in case of jQuery. It will solve the problem. Next issue is the uneven gap between images like these. If you want images or slides gap even, then look into slider settings. This is slick slider and it provides this option, variable width, that is false right now. If I set it to true, then all the gap around images is gone. So I can adjust gap between slides using CSS now. Like this. So first plugin is initialized. And then we customize its behavior by changing values in its settings. These are also called script options. If there is no option to change the width, then you can try other sliders that I will link in the description. There are many options. I just wanted to clear that these settings are there. In tutorial creation process, we only show relevant part and leave the rest. But you should know that there are other areas, options and settings to explore to adjust the script according to your need. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.